after COVID, all vehicle prices really went up, but with the acceleration of EVs, as well as inventories normalizing for customers and dealers, we're seeing the prices come down across the globe. And affordability is a big concern for customers.
Ford dealerships are rolling out some of the biggest discounts we've seen in years. From cash rebates to 0% financing, some models are getting price cuts worth thousands of dollars. But the real question is, why? Are these discounts a golden opportunity to snag a great deal? Or is Ford struggling to move these vehicles for a reason you'll regret later?
So Ford saw an opportunity to cut prices. But I'd also point out, Tesla just announced it's going to start manufacturing its electric pickup truck. And I don't think it's a coincidence that as soon as Tesla announces its truck is going into production, Ford announces that it's cutting prices.
Today, we're breaking down the 7 Ford models that are seeing massive price cuts right now. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which models might be worth grabbing, and which ones could be a financial headache down the road. And trust me, you don't want to skip ahead, because one of these vehicles is getting a shocking discount, yet people still aren't buying it. Number 7. Ford Edge. The Ford Edge has been a popular mid-size SUV for years, praised for its spacious interior and smooth ride. But in 2024, sales of the Edge dropped by nearly 60%, a clear sign that buyers are moving on to newer, more advanced options. One major issue? Outdated technology. While rivals like the Toyota Highlander and Hyundai Santa Fe offer cutting-edge infotainment, the Edge has been slow to adapt. That's left dealerships with an overstock of unsold models, forcing Ford to roll out massive discounts. Current deal, up to $8,000 in customer cash rebates. Additional $2,000 bonus cash. While this might seem like a steal, there's a catch. Ford hasn't announced a true replacement for the Edge, meaning resale values could take a serious hit in the future. Number 6. Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for years. But even this powerhouse isn't immune to market challenges. With truck prices skyrocketing, some fully loaded F-150 models now cost over 6 figures. High interest rates and rising loan payments are making it harder for buyers to afford them, leaving more trucks sitting on dealership lots. Current deal, 0% financing for up to 72 months. Up to $3,000 in bonus cash. If you've been waiting for a price drop on the F-150, now might be the time to buy. Just be aware that used truck values are also falling fast. Number 5. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape was once a top seller in the compact SUV market, but competitors like the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V have pulled ahead, while Escape sales have actually grown by 10% in 2024. Ford is still pushing incentives to keep up with the competition. Current deal, $1,000 in customer cash rebates. This discount isn't as aggressive as others on this list, but with Ford shifting focus to hybrid and electric models, traditional gas-powered Escapes might struggle with long-term demand. Number 4. Ford Mustang Mach-E.
Ford is cutting the price of its electric Mustang Mach-E while boosting production of its cars. They are following Tesla, who just lowered prices across their fleet as well.
Ford's electric Mustang Mach-E was supposed to challenge Tesla, but it hasn't quite worked out that way. While sales have grown by 27% this year, Ford has still been forced to cut prices to compete with Tesla's aggressive discounts. One of the biggest concerns, charging infrastructure. Tesla's network is miles ahead, and Ford's early production issues hurt consumer confidence. Current deal, 0% APR for 72 months, $2,500 bonus cash. Number 3. Ford Bronco Sport. The Bronco Sport was meant to be a more affordable adventure SUV, but buyers aren't convinced. It shares a platform with the Escape, meaning it's not as off-road capable as people expected. Sales have dropped by 3.8%, and dealers are offering discounts to clear inventory. Current deal. Discounts vary by region, with price cuts up to several $1,000s. Number 2. Ford Expedition. The Expedition is Ford's full-sized family SUV, offering tons of space and towing capability. But high fuel prices and rising loan costs have pushed buyers towards smaller, more efficient options. Ford overestimated demand, leading to an oversupply that dealers are struggling to move. Current deal, up to $7,000 in cash rebates. Number 1, Ford EcoSport. If there's one Ford model that dealerships just can't get rid of, it's the EcoSport. Ford has already discontinued it in North America, but unsold inventory is still sitting on lots. Current deal, $3,000 rebate plus $915 bonus cash, plus $500 extra for older inventory. Total discount, around $4,853, up to 16% off MSRP. Should you buy one of these discounted Fords? So, are these price cuts a smart opportunity or a warning sign? The truth is, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a deal, the Ford Edge and Expedition might offer great value. But be cautious about resale value. The F-150 and Mustang Mach-E discounts make them tempting options, while the EcoSport, even Ford wants you to forget it exists.
Look, a price point is a price point. Make up a number. A $50,000 vehicle. Whether you buy it, you finance it, or you lease it, it's the same whether it's a gas car or an electric car.
Yeah, I got it.
Which Ford model on this list surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the biggest car industry trends, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.